So now that we've created our recipes, the next step is to start stocking items. You may notice at this point, when you click on inventory reports and you click on inventory count, there's actually no record shown. This is because there hasn't been any stock or restocks of items yet. So until that happens, there's actually nothing shown in this table. To make a stock, you first click on inventory items. Because there's never been any stocks of these items, they will not show up in any of the stores that you click on. So right now it says there's 0 items stocked in the main inventory store and 0 items stocked in the pool bar inventory store. So to create your first initial stock, you go through the item menu. So we're going to say beef patty, create a restock. We're going to say that goes in the main store because food comes out of the kitchen. And we're going to say we have 5 packs. So since there are 24 per pack, that equals 120 individual buns or patties. Now we're going to do the same thing for the buns. Create a restock. This one will go again in the main inventory. And we're going to create 3 packs. So 3 packs of 12 are 36. Beer, we're going to stock as well. For now, we're going to stock it in the main inventory store because we want to track how many bottles of beer get transferred to the pool bar so that we can understand how inventory moves in and out and transfers in and out from various locations and inventory stores and vendors. So for now, we're going to put everything in the main store. So let's say we stocked 10 cases. So because there's 24 per case, we have 240. And finally, the tequila, we're also going to put it for now in the main bar, and we're going to say that we stocked 10 bottles. So 10 bottles is 7,500 milliliters. Click on the next video to learn how we make transfers of different inventory levels to different stores. For now, you can see that the main store has all these items, but the pool has no items yet. In the next video, we'll show how to make transfers to the pool bar.